Okay, welcome back. Um, Welcome to my YouTube channel, API Codes, and we are currently on transfers with Paystacks API. We've actually explained the processes of making transfer, but we've not actually gone into the code base. So let's dive right into that. Please, before we continue, please like, subscribe, and share. Please, we'd like to know your comments and your ideas that on the project. Please, thank you very much for that. Okay, so we are right into the code. Let's dive into it now. Okay, so if you can see my screen perfectly, then okay, good, cool. So let's look at the file structure. I have my backend here, I have my front end here, and I have the vendor and env and composer.json file, and then the config.php. So I'm currently using a package to be able to access this env file. The package is here. You can see it here. So you can use it, or you can use whatever works fine for you. So but for me, this works for me. So I have the first part, which is the get all banks. So you can actually get all banks here. So the workflow of this project is get my env file into my config.php. Then from there I can use it anywhere. So I'm using it here. So let's look at it now. I have my get all banks. I can even actually get all banks. Then I put my secret key here. So put my secret key here, and from there I can actually see my okay. So I have this get my response, return the response here. And from there I have my create transfer recipients. I can create transfer recipient and pass the data. So this should come here. Yep. So okay, so this is it here. So as like this is a constant here. I created a constant for this. So from here now I now have this. I can initiate my transfer. So initiate the transfer here, pass my secret key here, then the source, amount, recipient code, and the reason, and I return it. So this is just what the engine is all about. So this is just what Paystack transfer is all about. Nothing more, nothing less. That's easy as this. So I'll go to my front end, then I'll see I don't have much on my CSS. I don't have anything there to do. So I use Bootstrap. Okay, I use Bootstrap for it. So just come down here. Okay, let's dive straight into this. So if my button is set normally, and I get check if name, account number, reason, banks are all set. So once they are set, then I now pass them into my create transfer recipient as data. So you can see it here. From here I can now pass the name, account number, and bank code. So if I pass it, then it actually processes that with my API, my secret key, and sends my response. So from there, so this is the response you actually get with transfer. I intentionally left this here. Now if you look at it very well, you will see my recipient code. All these are tests. All these are tests. So you can see my recipient code. You can see this. Sorry, this is the account number. So you can see everything here. Then you see the bank, access bank. Then see everything. You can see all the details that will be sent. So this is to create a transfer recipient. So and you can now go further to get your recipient code, then pass it again into your initiate transfer. So I actually got it because I'm getting an object, so I have to decode it. Then from there I can now check if it's a success or if it's a failure. If it's a success, you can still do other stuff. If it's a failure, you can do whatever you wish to. So from here now you can now use your webhook continues. You should have written your webhook that will do other things. Now let me just you could have written your webhook that will do other things that you wish. So continues the job. Okay, so from here now I now do let's go back to our browser and see how it works. So let's go to our browser. So I'll just go straight here. Then I'll put my email address, then access bank, 1000 naira, this, then reason for transfer, food. Let me just use loan repayment. So from here, click on this thing. Now, okay, so this is an error, not on the side of the API, but as a result of using a startup business. API code is currently registered as a startup business on paystack. So, and over time I'll have to change that, but your company will not be a startup business, so you will just have to it works perfectly. So from there, if you have any issue, you can let me know in the comment section. So I'll just go down to this and just give a brief on webhooks. So okay, so I think we just have to stop here. So you can check my previous videos for webhooks, and should you have any issue, please let me know and drop it in your comments so other people can help and assist on it. Thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe, and let's keep building awesome apps. Thank you.